Okay, guys, we've got another video on Surds. Quick question, and here it is. Right, so we've got to simplify this. We've got three Surds being added and subtracted in various different parts, and we've got to somehow simplify it, put them together. So jot this out quickly on a piece of paper and start thinking, start using the brain, and pause it, and I'll catch up with you in a few seconds. Right, time to go through it. Now, you should have remembered one of these third laws, right? So you've got to use a third law for this. So you can only bring together, thirds when the numbers inside the square roots are the same. You can only add those together then. So this here would become 2 square root 2. But if you have square root 3 plus square root 4, or not square root 4, that's probably a rubbish example, maybe square root 7, you can't add these together. It just stays as square root 3 and square root 7, right? Don't be a fool and do this. This is just the most ridiculous thing in the world. Don't ever do that. So now what we need to do is start by simplifying these down. So this root 63, maybe let's go just to the side of the page, start simplifying it. You know, think about some square numbers that go into 63, and I can think of square root 9 and square root 7. The square root of 9 is just 3, so we've got 3 root 7. There we go. So we can say that we've got 2 here, and then root 63 is 3 root 7. So then we've got times by, and then we've got 3 square root 7. There we go. So that's nice. We've got that. Then let's put in this takeaway sign here. We've got this subtract. There we go. Bam. And then we've got 5 square root 28. So let's see if we can simplify the root 28. Go down here to the side again. Square root 28. Any square numbers that go into there? I think 4, isn't it? 4 and 7. 4 7 is 28. There we go. That's perfect. So then we've got 2 square root 7, because the square root of 4 is just 2. So then we've got, look, we've got 5 on the outside, and then we've got times by, and root 28 was 2 square root 7. So we can leave it like that. And now the 8 root 112. So a bit of a big number there, but the clue should be this. Look, if these have simplified to root 7s, the clue is 7's going to go into this, okay? So let's quickly highlight this. There we go in green. And then we'll try and break this one down. Let's do it over here. Here we go. 1, 1, 2. And I'm thinking 7. It's got to be 7, right? 7, and how many 7s go into there? 16, isn't it? I think it's 16. There we go. So 16. So that would be 4 square root 7. So then we've got 8. And then this here is 4 square root 7. So now let's just simplify that all down a little bit. Now 2 times 3 root 7. That's going to be 6 square root 7. Take away 5 times 2, 10. So we go 10 square root 7. And then 8 fours, that's 32. So plus 32 square root 7. And now, let's just bring it all together. So we've got 6 square root 7s. Take away 10 square root 7s. That's going to be minus 4 root 7s. And then plus 32 root 7. So overall, that's going to give us 28 square root 7. And that there should have been your final answer. So well done if you got that. Fantastic. Okay, thanks for watching. Again, more random questions coming soon. So stay tuned and keep practicing. Exams are coming up very, very soon.